More than 4 billion people eat it every day, yet almost no one knows how a grain of rice is actually produced. From gigantic harvesting machines that can swallow up entire fields in just minutes, to intelligent sensor systems that use bursts of compressed air to hunt down defective grains at lightning speed. This is more than just agriculture. It's a cutting-edge technological revolution. Join us as we explore the entire white rice production process as you've never seen before. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which province or city you're watching from.
Why is rice the world's most important food? Every day, more than 4 billion people around the world rely on rice as their primary source of food. From traditional Vietnamese family meals to iconic dishes across every continent, rice has quietly shaped the culinary culture of humanity for centuries. But did you know that this remarkable crop began its journey to conquer the world more than 5 millennia ago? Researchers believe that rice first emerged in Southeast Asia over 5,000 years ago and quickly spread to many other regions. Thanks to its remarkable adaptability and high nutritional value, rice became the foundation of numerous great civilizations. And to meet the enormous global demand for this staple food, humanity has developed astonishingly advanced farming systems. So, how does the journey of producing a grain of rice begin in the modern world today? The journey begins in flooded fields. This remarkable transformation does not begin inside a factory. It starts in vast flooded rice fields stretching as far as the eye can see. Under the sunlight, the fields resemble enormous mirrors reflecting the sky above. Yet behind this peaceful scene lies an incredibly precise engineering challenge. Farmers must carefully level the land, construct protective dikes, and build irrigation systems to create the ideal environment for rice plants to thrive. A difference of just a few centimeters in water depth can significantly affect the yield of an entire harvest. And once everything is in place, the first rice seeds begin their own journey of growth. Sowing seeds and transplanting seedlings, where the journey of a grain of rice truly begins. Once the fields have been flooded and prepared for a new growing season, the most important moment arrives, planting the very first seeds. Within each tiny rice grain lies the hope of a plentiful harvest to come. In the era of Industry 4.0, human labor is increasingly being supplemented by fleets of drones and automated seeding machines capable of covering dozens of hectares in just a matter of hours. In some cases, young rice seedlings are even nurtured in laboratory environments and smart nurseries before being transported to the fields by robotic transplanting systems. As their roots begin to anchor firmly into the fertile mud below, the first green shoots awaken, marking the beginning of the rice plant's remarkable growth journey. The growth journey of the green shoots. Once firmly rooted in the fertile soil beneath the cool water, the rice plant enters the most crucial stage of its life cycle. Day by day, the tender green shoots spread across the fields, gradually transforming vast stretches of farmland into an endless carpet of green. But behind this peaceful and picturesque landscape lies constant human care and attention. Water levels must be carefully regulated, fertilizers must be applied at precisely the right time, and pests and diseases must be monitored closely at every stage. After weeks of absorbing sunlight, water, and essential nutrients, the rice plants begin to flower, signaling that a special moment is drawing near: the formation of the very first rice grains. The golden season arrives. Harvest time begins. After months of patient waiting, the lush green fields have now transformed into a sea of shimmering gold, signaling the moment farmers look forward to most each year. Beneath the sunlight, millions of heavy rice panicles bow gracefully, carrying the rewards of countless hours of hard work and hope.
Once approximately 90% of the grains on each panicle have ripened, the water is drained from the fields in preparation for harvest. Massive combine harvesters then roll into action, swallowing row after row of rice plants while performing multiple operations in a single pass. Cutting, threshing, and preliminary cleaning, all within a matter of minutes. Yet for the freshly harvested rice grains, the journey is still far from over.
The rigorous inspection after harvest. After leaving the fields, the golden rice grains are transported to processing centers by massive trucks. But harvesting is only the beginning of the journey. At these facilities, every batch of rice must undergo a series of strict inspections. Moisture content, foreign matter, and even the presence of harmful insects are carefully examined. If any irregularity is detected, an entire shipment may be rejected. Once the rice meets all quality standards, it is transferred to enormous industrial drying systems, where its moisture content is reduced from approximately 25% to around 12%. This crucial step helps prevent mold growth and spoilage during storage. With the outer husk now safely preserved and the grain properly conditioned, the transformation from harvested paddy rice into the white rice we know is finally about to begin.
The moment the rice grain reveals what's inside. After months of growing in the fields and successfully passing a series of rigorous inspections, the rice grains finally arrive at the heart of the processing plant. Here they undergo a remarkable transformation. Powerful cleaning machines vibrate continuously to remove any remaining straw, dust, stones, and other impurities left behind. Immediately afterward, millions of rice grains pass through advanced dehusking systems, equipped with high-speed rubber rollers rotating in opposite directions. In a fraction of a second, the tough outer husk is stripped away, revealing the kernel inside, what we know as brown rice. But the journey is far from over. To become the familiar white rice found on dining tables around the world, the grains must still undergo several more stages of transformation.
The remarkable transformation from brown rice to white rice. If the process were to stop at the previous stage, what we would have is simply brown rice, with its outer bran layer still intact. But to become the familiar white rice that appears on dining tables in countless households, each grain must undergo a remarkable transformation. Inside massive processing machines, high-speed abrasive rollers gently remove the thin layers of bran surrounding each grain. Next, specialized polishing systems smooth and refine the surface, giving the rice its clean, bright, and glossy appearance. In just a matter of minutes, millions of rice grains are completely transformed. Yet an attractive appearance alone is not enough. Ahead lies an even more demanding stage, one that will determine whether each grain is truly ready to reach consumers. The no compromise promise selection process. After being milled and polished, the rice grains have achieved an almost flawless appearance. Yet before they are allowed to reach supermarket shelves, they must still pass through an astonishingly rigorous screening process. On advanced production lines, millions of rice grains race along at extremely high speeds under the watchful eyes of high-resolution cameras and optical sensors. In just a fraction of a millionth of a second, laser-based camera systems scan the grains and identify any that are broken, discolored, or still contain traces of husk. The moment a defective grain is detected, tiny bursts of compressed air are fired with remarkable precision, instantly blowing it off the production line without disturbing the surrounding grains. This is the most demanding selection stage of all. A process designed to identify only the finest, highest quality grains worthy of making it to consumers' tables.
The final step before reaching the dinner table. After a long journey that began in flooded rice fields and passed through sophisticated high-tech sorting lines, the grains that meet quality standards finally enter the last stage of the process. Streams of pristine white rice flow through automated weighing systems with near-perfect accuracy before being released into pre-prepared packaging. Within seconds, heat-sealing machines securely seal each bag while printing essential information, including its origin, weight, and expiration date. From there, the bags are packed into larger shipments and transported to supermarkets, retail stores, and the kitchens of millions of households around the world. Yet perhaps the most remarkable part of this entire journey is that it all began with a single tiny seed planted in a field long ago.
And that is the incredible journey of a single grain of white rice. From flooded fields, through massive machines and advanced technological production lines, all the way to the familiar meals enjoyed by families every day. Behind every tiny grain of rice lies months of hard work, meticulous care, and an entire industry operating around the clock. What may seem like a simple staple food is actually the result of a remarkable process that combines nature, human dedication, and cutting-edge technology. If you found this journey fascinating, be sure to hit the like button to support the channel and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of amazing production processes from around the world. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which stage of the process surprised you the most.